To completely deactivate Gemini or Google Assistant on your POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first we're gonna go to Settings. Now here in Settings, scroll down and go to Google. After opening Google Services, we want to switch to All Services in here and then scroll down in order to find, let me actually try to find it, there we go, this option over here, Search, Assistant and Voice. Now after that, you want to go to Google Assistant, no matter if you use Google Assistant or Gemini. But then if you do actually use Gemini instead of Google Assistant, which is most likely the case, you want to go to Digital Assistants from Google, and we need to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant. There we go. Once you switch, we should be able to go back to the settings menu over here, and then you want to go to General, and you want to turn off Google Assistant over here. And there we go. Now we should not be able to use Gemini or Google Assistant until we turn it back on. In addition to that, if you open the settings and then scroll down and choose additional settings, and in here we're gonna go to gesture shortcuts, then over here we have launch digital assistant, and in here we can just turn this option off so that when you press and hold the power button, you will not activate or try to activate the Gemini or Google Assistant. So since it is deactivated, there is no need to have this shortcut enabled. That is all. Leave a like and subscribe.